Aulgah Nato. And the collection is called Lolwe. Lolwe by Aulgah Nato. Lolwe collection that you see here. It is inspired by the Luo community. Now, for those of you that don't know who the Luo community is, they're located all around East Africa. Here in Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, you can find them everywhere. And what's unique about the rich heritage and culture of the Luo community, the Luo community continues to fascinate and inspire many people. Luo settled all around the lake regions here in East Africa. Something about the Luo community that's interesting in case you didn't know. Again, like I said, they're based out of the lake regions here in East Africa and were originally pastoralists and fishermen. One thing that Aulgah, the designer, wanted me to mention with the Lolwe collection that you see today, again, as I said, it was inspired by the Luo community. And this collection is an expression of the modern Luo woman. East Africa. And the designer, of course, is the very talented Aulgah Nato. Aulgah, where are you? There you are. Amazing job, Aulgah. Amazing job. Amazing. We love you. We love you. Again, her collection is inspired and is an expression of the modern Luo woman, as you see with her wearing